power of Jesus' name. This song was written by Edward Perronet in the year 1779. He was at that time a missionary in India. The song, All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name, is sometimes referred to as the anthem of Christianity. This is because it is laced with great meaning. It has been translated into several languages from across the world, and several testimonies have followed. One testimony that stands out is that of Reverend E.P. Scott in India. He was greatly concerned about a barbaric tribe therein. His well-wishers had strongly advised him not to go there, but his burden for their salvation was even greater. He traveled yonder to where this tribe was, trusting that his God will protect him. He had not fully arrived their tribe when they accosted him and surrounded him. Having nothing whatsoever with which to defend himself, he reached for his violin, closed his eyes, and started to play the melodious song, All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name. He thinking the next time he opens his eyes, he will see himself in heaven, in the bosom of his Savior, was surprised to see the natives staring at him in horror when he did open his eyes few minutes after. With their eyes fixated on him, they dropped their spears, thereby sparing his life. What a great testimony! And this laid the foundation for his reception into their tribe, and many later gave their life to Jesus. Indeed, let every tribe and tongue hail the power of Jesus' name. Let angels prostrate fall, bring forth the royal diadem, and crown him Lord of all.